Hey guys, what's up? This is me Ozan and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install Telegram in your Ubuntu system. So before installing you need to download the Telegram. So just go for Telegram and let me tell you something that this is the best open source messaging uh, application you will find in the Linux. So it's quite good to use this one. So let me wait until this downloads. And after it downloads, just go to the download folder and let me extract it to somewhere. So you can just extract wherever you want. I'm extracting in my software folder, and let me select the destination and let me go to the software folder and let me find where is my Telegram. Yeah, this is Telegram. And just click open the terminal, just right click and just type Telegram and click enter and just enter your number and you should be good to go. And just after you type your number, so that it will ask you for a verification code. So for using in your laptop you need to install it in your mobile as well. So after putting some codes you will be good to go with the Telegram in your Linux. So thank you so much for watching. This is how you install Telegram in your Ubuntu system.